Hi, this is Vince at Discount Inboard Marine. Today we're going to do just a couple of simple things. One is going to be changing an oil pressure sensor. This is for the gauge. It's got a blue wire on it. And you take these off. You unscrew the sensor, and what you have to be careful about, there's a little bushing on the sensor. And you can see the location. It's right by the mechanical fuel pump. And a lot of times this bushing will be painted the same color, and it changes thread size. So you want to be aware of that. Don't throw the bushing away with the old sending unit. Wait till everything is together and you've got it there. One other thing about these sending units, they've changed a little bit. This came off our old test engine, which is a mid-80s vintage. And the new sending units we still get from Pleasurecraft Marine. It works on every engine that used oil senders before digital senders came along a few years ago. You can see they're physically a little bit different. They look a little bit different, do the same function. One thing about these sending units, when you screw them into the bushing, they are designed where you really don't need any sealant or anything. They do put a little thread sealant on these, but when you get them started on the bushing, you'll only get about that much of a turn, and they tighten up. That's by design. Then you need to take a wrench and tighten it down into where the orange thread sealant is, and then screw everything in. And that's perfectly normal. So you get very, very little start on these, and that's by design, so that as you tighten it up, it seals the threads and everything doesn't leak. When you tighten up this bushing, you can see it gets tight. You just want to snug it down enough where you get into the thread sealant, and you don't want to force it all the way down to the bottom of the threads. You'd be over tightening it, and it should work fine. Once you install it, just double check for leaks and hook your wire back up and you're back in business. Thank you for your time, and hope you have a great day.